Hello, my name is Dorothy. I have had migraine headaches since I was a young child. And as I grew older, the headaches became more severe. I was at one of the women's prisons in Wisconsin singing, and I had one of those terrible migraine headaches, and someone even had to take me home. My husband and daughter took me to the doctor, and they gave me pain medicine and told me just to stay in a dark room. Well, this went on until I was 60. I retired and moved to the country, to the Ozark Mountains. And about a week, I guess it was, after we had gotten moved, I took one of those headaches, and it was so severe that my husband took me to the emergency in Mountain View. They sent me on to Springfield because they thought I had an aneurysm. The pain was so great and so bad. At Springfield, at St. John's, they took some x-rays and did a CAT scan and decided I did not have what they thought I had, but instead that I was having a grand mal migraine. I went back home and was in bed for 2 weeks, and all they gave me was muscle relaxers and pain medicine. My Aunt Addie came to my house and she said to me, "Honey, why don't you go see my chiropractor? I believe he can do you some good." When I first came to see Dr. Sherling, my head was between my knees, and my tears and all of the water running out of my nose was just dripping on the floor. I was in so much pain. He treated me that day, and I left crying, still with my head down. I came back the next day, and he treated me again. My head was still down, but there were no more tears. After, I believe it was either 4 or 5 adjustments daily, I could stand just like I'm standing now. I could fix my hair. I could put on my makeup. I haven't had a migraine since. And that is an absolute truth. Then I went fishing and pulled a muscle in my back. Went to the emergency. This was about 3 years ago. Went to the emergency again, and they gave me more pain medicine and a shot in the muscle in my arm. The next day I called Dr. Sherling's office. He wasn't in, but the next day he was here. He adjusted my shoulder and my back. The pain went absolutely away. I never took a pain tablet. So I just want you to know that chiropractic can really help, especially Dr. Sherling. Thank you.